Hello YouTubers, this is Monica Gomez and I'm sitting outside. Brought my chickens outside in the little carrier there. We're all hanging outside. I threw them some chicken food and put some fresh water. There's my Queenie, my cat Queenie, and there's one of my pups there. And we're just hanging out outside. Hello Mama. Hello beautiful. My Carinas, my beautiful chiquianas. Mama loves you. Mama loves you. Queenie, what are you doing, Queenie? My Queenie, my Queenie. Stay close by, baby. Stay close by. Don't go too far. Stay close to the chickens. Stay close to Mama over here. Stay close to Mama over here. Come over here, baby. Come over here. Come over here, baby. Yeah, we're just here chilling. They're eating. Susan's watching them. And, what, baby? What is it with my beautiful Guena? What is it? They should be 6 total. They're all my female chickens. With a tiny one over there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 with her. Stay close to Mama over here. Stay close to Mama over here. Baby, over here. So yeah, you get to hang out. It's a nice hot day today. Look at that shiny light up there. And Susan's just watching them. So they're just hanging out. Sometimes I'll bring them out in that little carrier right there. I love you, Guarenas. I love you, Mama loves you. Stay together, my babies. Stay together. I raised them since they were baby chicks, so yeah, just take care of them all the time. I gave them a warmer not so long ago. Then I marked on the calendar every 30 days. They gotta get another warmer. So I gotta give them another warmer pretty soon. I'm drinking my creatine there, the powder mix. Well, for energy. I love you, Guarenas. Mama loves you. We're just showing you my chickens, and we're outdoors hanging out. I just walked my Chihuahua and Sheep Power, which Chihuahua Gobi and Sheep Power, the lab boxer mix, and put them inside, bunk them, cleaned up the mess. So now we're just outdoors hanging out. Boys, Susan's enjoying watching the chickens. I love you, my little one. Chiquianas, get over here. Susan, stop that now. So yeah, we're just hanging out. My little chiquianas, Mama's babies. Mama's babies. Y'all be careful. Mama loves you. Mama loves you. Be careful. Stay together. Hindi Mama. I love you. I love you. Stay together. What is it, Quabbles? Quabbles and that beautiful. She bit the queen. Stay together, my chiquianas. Well, we're gonna sign off. Mutagov loves you, Reina. Remember, no, don't intimidate her like that. She's a baby. You better stop that. You know better. You're a little bit older than her. No, no, don't be putting your face over her like that. I don't like that. Gorenas, y'all better learn to get along. I love y'all. Mutagov loves you. Veggie bless. No, no, no. You don't do that. You don't do that. Don't do that. No. No. Mutagov loves you. Reina, remember, Prena takes the hand of a mouse. Teach people to be smart vegans. Wherever Reina so great not for Mutagov. Well, Queen has to be Mutagov's ourselves. And Bonata no much Renata Martin of us say women. Hanging out with the chicks outdoors, y'all. Peace out. Mutagov loves you. Hey, women, off citizen.